Good noon, lovely people around the world. Today, February 7th, 2026. I'm on my way to my private room and to our United World Monument in Myeongjan District. This is the new road that looks so nice and very smooth to ride. So I hope you can sense that my electric tricycle can run pretty smoothly. I hope you enjoy riding with me. Now I have arrived at the entrance of the United World Monument. There is our destination. Oh no, we are on a journey, so this is our destination. Now, our action now is our destination. At the entrance of my private room on February 7th, 2026, I find this big bird that cannot move. He got an accident. He or she got an accident and cannot move. How can I save her? How can I save you? Can you eat anything? I think you need to rest. Maybe you are not hungry, right? But you have some pain in your body. I see. She can't move. Maybe I can simply lift her wing up. Let's see. Let's see how can I deal with this. Save the bird. But now she's safe. She's safe here. Let's try to let the bird stay in this container with a straw. I'll let the bird stay here in this basket, in this container. Stay in this top place with the bird. Big bird, like we are too weak. You are strong. Or maybe you are just a kid. Why? You also have a horn like this. Wow, very pretty. You are pretty. I will try to feed the bird with some banana, corn, potato, and papaya. Eat this, please. Try this. You will like it. You will like it. Try it. Let's give her also some egg. Hey, snowbird, eat some egg. Do you like to have some egg? My sister called, so she's in her house. I need to go help her, or I need to go help her water her plants now. Let's take this little egret out to visit the United World Monument. My mom and my sister are in that house now, and the bird is here for now. Hey, snowbird, do you know that Earth is our home? And we are all humans. Oh, but you are not human. You are not a human, but that's okay. You can be in our group, in our club. Here is the center of World Unification Club, you know. And it's time to unify our world. Do you know that? For peace and freedom of all human beings, okay? You need to be in this video. Little egret, have you ever visited here? This is the center of United World Monument. That dog might harm her, so I gotta be sure. The little egret is in front of my private heaven. Time for you to touch the water, okay, to your familiar environment, okay. You should be familiar with the water, right? Okay. Stay here. Do you have? Can you draw power from the water? She was sipping some water. Maybe she's thirsty. The bird was flipping the wings. Bring her back to my room. You gotta rest some more before you can recover fully. Alright, say hi to people. Maybe we should go further just this. Okay, say good. Want to say hi to you. Want to tell you that the world should have no war. Now I'm gonna enhance security of this door by adding the blue curtain at both sides of the door. Hey, little egret bird, can you see that my room's door, this door of my room is pretty secure. Now 7 p.m. and something. The bird has not slept yet. I should try to feed you a bit aggressively, okay, with the eggs. With this egg, you need to eat some egg to get some energy. Try this. Try this, please. Open your mouth. Successful. Yeah! Successfully feed egg to the bird. How's that? Hi, Ma. Open your mouth. Time to exercise, little bird. Cannot move on her own, on his own. No power. This is how we can check the species or the kind of the bird. First, we open the Google Lens app See this Google Lens app. I can download from from Play Store, and then after open the Google Lens, we can use I can open the camera like this. Normally, when we open Google Lens, it appears like this. So we can choose whether we want to search from the photo right now, or to search from to search using. We can choose to search by using the camera, right now, or by using the photo that has taken before. For example, in this case, I will choose a photo that took before, like this photo, right? I set this photo, and then Google Lens will provide the answer that, oh, we can read more. This image shows a little egret, or egreta cassetta, or little egret. See, and we look at this and see the description, and we think, oh, this is pretty correct. So this is the little egret, and the area is the area here including yeah. So now we know, right? Another method is to use the camera, right? For example, open camera. When we open Google Lens like this, then we can take photo like this. We see the frame here of the area we are gonna search. Just press the camera button. The answer will be the same. The image features a little egret, a species of small heron. So, hope this is helpful. Hope you find this tip helpful. I asked Google about the difference between the male and female little egrets, and Google says they look identical to human eyes. I cannot know for sure now whether this is he or her. I take the bird to be inside the mosquito net with me to make sure that she is safe from any predators tonight. Thanks for watching. Have a happy world. See you again tomorrow. Bye. Bye bye bird. Bye bye people. Bye.